video is going to tutor you on how to use Msocial plugin. The Msocial plugin helps you to share your content to your social network account. For example, your Facebook, Google+, or Twitter. First, you need to go to Component and then select Plugin, and then looking for our plugin, the Msocial plugin. After clicking, you will see a setting page of the plugin like this. There are many settings here. For instance, share to Facebook, share to Twitter, and share to Google+. Displays sharing numbers, sharing position, or sharing format. To enable or disable any settings here, it all depends on you. There is also using status and assessments as well. After finished installing, the plugin will display on the bottom of our articles, as you can see here. You can also see that how many times this article has been shared to Facebook, Google+, or Twitter. So, this is all about the tutorial of Msocial plugin. Thank you very much indeed, and see you next time. Goodbye.